Everyone, how do you do? I hope you will be fine and learning this language very well. And this is Varsha. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Varsha. Yeah, I'm also quite well and learning this language in a great way. Dear friends, I would like to tell you all that today is day 36 of my speaking challenge. So that is why just I'm sitting in my study room and recording myself, and I'm holding my right phone in my left hand and recording myself. Yes. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about my target. Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I will share with all of you about my target. What is my target nowadays? So, dear friends, to be honest, I would like to tell you today that my target nowadays to complete 100 plus phrases. Yes, absolutely. Just I'm telling truth. Today's target, nowadays target I have to complete 100 plus phrases. And you know very well about the importance of phrases in the field of English learning journey. Okay, phrases plays very important role, very essential role in this journey. Yes, phrases makes our language unique, special. Okay, so like अपने काम से काम रखो, तो हम सिंपल कह सकते हैं ना, माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. लाइक सो लाइक दिस बिगिन, जैसे थोड़े ही शब्दों में बड़ी बात कह देना या ज़्यादा बात कह देना. ओके, तो वी कैन यूज लाइक दिस phrases in our daily life, and with the help of phrases, according to me, with the help of phrases we can speak English very easy. We can speak English with full energy. So nowadays my target to complete 100 plus vocabs. Yes, every day in the time of evening I write in my notebook, write down in my notebook. After that I learn 10 vocabs, 10 phrases daily. And I thought that each and every phrase, whatever I will learn, I will mug up, I will learn through my written, skill. So every each and every phrase, I thought that I decided that I will share with all of you. Yeah, and because like my practice, and each and every phrase is very important, and that will really enhance our speaking skill, our communication skill. So phrases plays very important role in this journey. So my target is to complete 100 plus phrases, 100 plus phrases. Yes, and I think I have completed uh, 50 phrases. Yes yes right, 50 phrases I have written in my notebook. And just I have shared with all of you 20 phrases, almost 20 phrases I have shared with all of you in my earlier videos. And yeah, I remembered. Yes, so nowadays whatever I will learn, what kind of phrase I will learn through my reading skill, through my writing skill, so definitely I will share in front of you all, I will share with all of you, because I want to share with all of you each and every step, whatever I will learn through this journey, and what kind of things I will learn from this journey related to reading, writing, speaking, listening. So, surely, this is my target to share in front of you all. Yes, so I'm not a fluent speaker, just I'm learning day by day. And it is very very important to express my thoughts, my imaginations in front of camera, in front of mirror, in front of you all dear friends. So my dear friends, like this, nowadays I'm doing practice through phrases, and my target to complete 100 phrases, and after that, after completing 100 phrases, again I will set my target to complete 200 phrases. Yes, but after 100 phrases complete. Okay, so this is my target to complete 100 phrases. After completing 100 phrases, I give myself target to complete 200 phrases. Okay, and I will share with all of you, don't worry about this, I will share each and every phrase, each and every thing related to this journey, definitely. So don't worry about that, and it is my duty, responsibility to speak in front of camera, to share with all of you whatever I will learn through this journey. So I will share with all of you, so don't worry about this, don't panic, and please try to speak yourself in front of camera, in front of mirror every day. Yes, so dear friends, because speaking is very important, and each and every skill, reading, writing, listening, speaking, are very very important in this journey. Yes, so dear friends, in today's video, just I want to tell you about my target. Okay, so I think I have shared with all of you what kind of target I have nowadays. So, dear friends, you heard me right, like my target. So, because without target, I think we can't follow our consistency, our regularity, and we can't maintain our learning skill. Okay, and we can't manage our all the things related to this journey. So discipline and consistency, loyalty, sincerity, each and every step during this journey is very very important. Okay, if we don't have discipline, if we don't have consistency, if we don't have regularity, if we don't have consistency and sincerity, loyalty, so I think this is not fair, this is not fair about this journey. So during this journey, my dear friends, all the things, each and every step build our confidence level, build our strength, power, how we can express our thoughts, how we can share our thoughts, how we can share our journey related to this English speaking journey, how we can manage our all the things related to this journey, how we can express our ideas in front of camera, in front of mirror, without fear. Yes, so without fear, speaking is very, very important. Yes. And nobody is perfect there. Nobody is perfect there. Everybody makes mistakes. So don't worry about this. Don't panic. Don't we feel nervous. Don't feel demotivated. Don't feel hesitation. Just try to explain your thoughts. Okay, and try to share your experience, try to share your journey, learning journey about this speaking skill. Every day you have to speak, every day, in front of camera, in front of mirror. You can do practice alone at home if you don't have this kind of partner. So try to maintain your regularity. That is important in this journey. Yes. So in today's video, I have shared with all of you whatever I want to share with all of you, dear friends. This is my target to complete 100 plus phrases, and I will tell you each and everything related to this journey. Whatever I will learn and what kind of things I will learn. So like phrases, idioms, vocabulary, so many different kind of things. Yes, so because I'm a beginner, I'm not a fluent speaker, and this is my target to to learn each and everything: sentences, phrases, vocabulary, verbs, adjectives, preposition, so many things. Yes, so I will share with all of you surely. Yes, so I think it is enough for today, and please, if you think this video is supportive, constructive for you, advantages for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, we will meet in next video next time. Till that, keep watching, keep supporting and keep learning. Look after you. Bye bye.